Hey, Jeff from Smoking T-Jets. Next up on eBay, I got a full card here. They're the Idel gears, guys. The Idel gears, for the Aurora T-Jets. Got a full card. Look at the corners of the card there. Could be better. Ever since I've had them, I've kept those little corners on, and I'm not going to fuss or mess with them when I ship them to you. I'll make sure that they're on there best I can. And again, if you need pristine, minty, on the card, Idel gears, they're right here. You just want to keep them on the card, whatever you want to do, guys, they're right here, but it is a full card. And feel comfortable about shipping, guys, because I will ship this stuff out immediately. When you win the bid, when you win the auction, I ship it out. So feel confident about bidding. And I've said in a few of my other videos, but any of the auctions that end on the same day, don't worry about the shipping, guys. I will combine shipping for you. That's a standard with me. All right, guys, have fun bidding. Jeff from Smoking T-Jets.